Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another video on free internship offer. This internship is being offered by Accenture. I hope you know what Accenture is. Accenture is a multinational company and a service-based company which hires a lot of students. Now let's get into the details of this internship program. So now who can apply for this internship? Undergraduates and the professionals can apply for this internship. Now, is it free? Yes, 100% is free. And who is providing this internship? Accenture. Now, how long will it take to complete? It takes around 5 to 6 hours to complete this internship. Now, when I say 5 to 6 hours, it means it's a self-paced program. When I say self-paced program, it depends on the learning speed of the aspirants or the applicants. Now the learning speed and the doing speed is not same for everyone, right? So if you can learn at 1x speed, you can complete it in the 1x speed time. You can take your own time to complete this internship. Now is it online or offline? Yes, it is online. Next, which batch can apply? As I said, anyone can apply for this. If you are pursuing your undergraduation or post graduation, or you are also a professional, you can definitely apply for this program. Uh, then what skills are required? They don't require any skills for this internship or program, because it's like I have already done this personally and I have also completed this and I have got my certificate and I have shared it on my LinkedIn profile as well. So as I have seen this, you really don't require some great skills for this internship. Basic understanding of English is required. As I said, the Accenture is a service-based company. It's a service-based company and it's an offer like a program to the students especially. So when they're offering it to the students, they don't require you much coding skills for this internship. So anyone can apply for this. What really happened is there were things like how you can solve. They will be giving you a scenario and they will ask you to prioritize things, take decisions, implement the decisions, etc. The communication, how should the communication between the clients? So you are going to learn the real-time work experience with the clients. So this is about this. So they don't actually require you to design the system. Like you're not going to design the particular system or you're not going to code there, but you are going to learn the future work experience. Like how's that gonna be look like? No? How you the experience, you'll get to know how to deal with the clients and what are the problems that arise when you are working on a project, etc. So this is really a good one. I really liked it, so I have brought you this. If not, I would not have brought this to you. And let us see what will you do. As I have said you, this with the things we will do. You will be communicating with the clients, how to communicate with the clients, and how to decide on things, how should be your etiquette, like how should be the business etiquette, and how to prioritize. Like there will be a lot of actions that are required to be done, but being a software professional, you should not do each and every activity that comes to your eyes. You have to prioritize the tasks that are given by your clients and fulfill them. Sometimes you need to convince your client about these facts. So you are going to learn most of such things in this internship. By the way, you can just complete this in 6 hours. I took really 2.5 hours or 2 hours, that's it. It really easy. Then in like there will be some kind of assessment. This assessment is not like a written answer script. It's more like user convenience. Like it will be helpful, like radio buttons, something like that, and you can choose the options and you are going to shift like that. I don't think is that same for everybody. However, in my case, that is the problem I have got. Like the scenario was uh, like there was a problem with the website. I should resolve the website problems, and I should provide more user convenience for the website. So how am I going to work with the clients, how am I going to deal with the client, and how am I going to let him tell the his requirements, and how am I going to fulfill his requirements is all being taught here. And I really got to know how would a software industry gonna look like, how your experience will be. I have got to know something from there. So this is the only reason that I have really brought you this, and is being offered by Accenture, right? So on the certificate they have already mentioned that Accenture program. The program name was something like, they mentioned it on this certificate. I have shared it on my LinkedIn profile as well. And how to apply for this? As you all know that YouTube most times it most of the times it strikes the YouTube creators, like they will provide community, they may strike your channel for community guidelines. For this reason I don't like to provide all the links on the description box. Providing one or two links is not really a hard thing, but whatever the courses and the programs I'm bringing you were all from different resources and sites. So I have to provide you some different kind of websites and the links in this channel description. So for this reason I'm not going to do that thing. What I instead thought of doing is creating my own blog and providing the links there, and redirecting the subscribers and for our community people to the website and get it out there. So I have provided a post on my website. You can check it out under the recent post. I'll provide the link to this. You just need to create an account with that. You can directly use your Google account to sign in. Once you are signed in, click on that post what I have provided on the blog. You will be redirected onto that program. It's something like Accenture program. You can see that banner Accenture and all. You can easily identify it once you have signed up for an account. So thereafter you can start the assessment. You will face some kind of issues, I guess, but not much. I just completed within 2.5 hours. It depends on the person's capabilities, how well you can understand and all. It will depend on that. So this is how about this program. Do I recommend it or not? Yes, I do strongly recommend this because it is being offered by Accenture. It's a I think most of you might sit for placements for this company. When you sit for placements, you can simply tell them that you have done this project in your summer break. So it's really easy, and you can even convince your interviewer, and you have something great to talk about, and you are more likely to like what to say, you can more likely to uh, drop his eye, like you can attract his eyes on your resume, because you have some projects to deal with and some internships and some virtual programs. It is an online program, you can complete in 2.5 hours. So it's really easy and you can get the certificate very easily. So this is the reason and this is the benefits that you have got. There is also facility to directly share this post on your LinkedIn profile. So I have directly shared it, and I have also downloaded the e-certificate so that it might be helpful for me to put it onto my resume. So that's about this Accenture program, and do not forget to share this with your friends. By the way, what to tell is, in this program, in the certificate they did not mention like it's an internship, because it is an online program, right? They have conducted this program online. Though it's an internship, you're not actually doing code, you're not actually coding here. So for this reason they did not mention it as an Accenture. However, they mentioned the details of this program on your certificate. Now this certification, like if you have got to get this certificate, it depends on you. How will you convince your interviewer, the employer? You should be able to convince your employer that you have got a lot and you have learned a lot and from this internship, and you can mention it as an internship, though it was not mentioned on the certificate. Literally he will not check your all e-certificates there. So once you mention it, you should be capable to explain him and you should be able to convince him. If you can do this, the job is definitely yours. It depends on your communication skill and convenience. You should be able to let him know that whatever you are telling is right, and of course it's right, because you should be able to convince him, that's it. And he will be convinced only if you have good knowledge on this internship. So when you have done an internship, so do it with your full hearted, like do it with your full heart. If you do it with full heart, you will be able to talk about it. Now I am able to talk this much about this internship just because I have done it on my own. I did not copy it or did something like that. So it's always put your best efforts and your own efforts on this internship program. Everyone out there, that's all for this video. I'll be back with another internship very soon. Till then, keep stay tuned to this channel and also do keep sharing with your friends.